What's going on, guys and gals? YouTube. Today is, well, actually, this week is a very special week. It is 4th of July. And today we are going to show you how the crooked boar got famous here in South Carolina. Well, we're not famous yet, but by God, we're on our way. We're doing our pulled pork. That's right. Our secret pulled pork that we've been doing at our demos at Ace Hardware, Lowe's Foods, Harris Teeter, and Publix. So I tell you what, how about this? How about we quit wasting time by flapping these jaws and let's get to it, guys. All right. Well, you know, pork is, I cook my pork no different than anybody else does, pretty much. The only difference is, we use our awesome Crooked Boar sweet and spicy barbecue rub. We use the Lowe's Foods yellow mustard, pretty much like everybody else does. Like I said, it's pretty much no different. Not pretty much, I mean, there's really no secret. I guess one of the things is, we cook them low and slow. Not low and slow, I mean, 250, like everybody else does. Spritz mine every hour with pineapple juice, and that's pretty much it. Cook it to about 175 till, that's usually when the bark for me is at its best, and it's got a nice little crunch to it. Then we wrap them up and put a little pats of butter on them, pour a little pineapple juice in aluminum foil, stick them back on, pull them off at 210. That's just how we do it. So, without telling you, not without telling you, instead of telling you, let's show you. So like I said, we're going to put on a nice little bit of mustard. And that should do the whole thing. Of course, safety first before I've been cooking like all day, so I've got like 8 butts on the offset today because I've got a lot going on this weekend. But I figured I would include you guys too. And I can't remember if I said happy 4th of July, but happy 4th of July, especially to all you guys and gals out there that served in the armed forces and helping keeping us free. That's what I'm talking about. So happy 4th to everyone. Hope you have a safe and great 4th of July. So hold on just a second. All right. Always use gloves, especially when you're serving to the public, which I am definitely doing. And plus on top of that, I'm cooking some experimental butts. Not experimental, I've done it twice so far, but the new seasoning called the BBQ, I've got a couple of butts that I'm doing that seasoning in, and a great marinade that I marinate the butts in overnight. So, but that video is coming because that seasoning's not quite out yet. Getting ready to have it. It's actually at the facility getting mixed together and sampled and sent back to me. So hopefully here in the next week or so, we should have that back, the sample, and test it, do a few cooks on it, and hopefully that bottle's going to be in production really quick. That's what we're hoping. But anyway, again, flapping jaws. Let's get back to rubbing these butts down. Now let's see. I was like, yeah, we'll do it with this hand. Rub them down good, and as you can tell by the pan, I have been getting these things together and rubbing these things down all morning. So Like I said, it's good binder. I will be honest. I used to do them with olive oil, like extra virgin olive oil. And to be honest, I mean, I know everyone says, oh, well, it's just a binder. It doesn't do anything with the taste. But the taste profile, for some reason, changes when I go to yellow mustard. I've cooked them both side by side. And for some reason, the seasoning absolutely loves the mustard. Don't know why, but it tastes different. And I had people, like, actually I blindfolded a couple of people, friends of mine, and just see if they could tell which is what. And of course they couldn't, but each one said that the mustard binder tastes better. Isn't that weird? So we're going to season these bad boys up, rub them down, like I said, generously season them up, because butts love some seasoning. Like I said, the most forgiving piece of meat known to man. Like I said, it will take whatever you throw at it. Yep, we're just gonna season them up. All right, that looks good right there. Maybe put a little more on it. So when she starts sweating, oh yeah. I tell you, man, my season guys, they pack these things so stinking full that you have to kind of bang on the bottles a little bit to get them loose. To loosen up, it's crazy. Again, this seasoning can be bought, if you're in South Carolina, that is, and in North Carolina, Harris Teeter, Publix, and Lowe's Foods. And if you don't have either one of those stores near you, you can always go to thecrookedboard.com, where there are recipes that you can use with the seed. I've got all kinds of recipes on their dips and party things, and just all kinds of stuff. But yeah, if you want to try out the good old Crooked Board seasoning, you can always go to thecrookedboard.com and get you a bottle. We're getting ready to start selling some merch, hopefully here soon. Some good shirts, trying to come up with some good sayings for shirts. You know how it is. It's just hard to come up with. I mean, everybody's like, oh, we like to get our butts, or we like to rub our butts, and blah, blah, blah. You know, you don't want to copy anybody else. Kind of want to have our own thing going on, but it's kind of hard. You know what I mean? Trying to come up with something all the time. It's all right. Well, what do you guys think? I think that is enough rub. They look pretty good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put these on the smoker. Smoker is at, well, one side it's 265 and the other side is 245. We got a temperature swing of 20 degrees, but it's no big deal. I just offset the racks in the smoker. It's no big deal. So we'll put these on, and we will check back on them in an hour to do some spritzing. All right, we'll talk to you then. All right, here we are at the offset. Look at those puppies. This door is heavy as crap. All right. I've got to keep some of these butts separated because of the fact that, look over there, I got some over there. Those are, a couple of those are for me, and a couple of those are for some customers. So yeah, as you can see, bark's coming along real nice. Oh yeah. Well, it's hard filming by yourself, but that's all right. We got it. You guys get the gist. Woo-wee. Look at those babies. See now, this is the reason why I cook them to 165 to 175. So that way you get that nice, sticky, crusty bark on it. Okay. I know I look absolutely hideous right now, but I have been tending to that offset smoker all day long. So, here we go. We've pulled them off. I'm getting ready to put them in some aluminum foil. We're gonna put a little bit of pineapple juice. I just, any old pineapple juice that you guys like. This is 100% juice. And we're gonna put a couple little pats of butter in there with them and wrap them up, put them back on. These came off they're roughly like 165. I needed to go ahead and wrap them because the day is getting short. So once I wrap them, I can put it back on the offset and just let them cook the rest of the way. Then actually, the blower, the blower for the smoker, as soon as they reach temp, will cut back down to 150 degrees, and they'll just sit on there the rest of the evening until tomorrow morning. Then I'll show you guys exactly what they look like as soon as we pull them. So let's get to wrapping these bad boys. I usually do like a double wrap, so that way I don't have to worry about them leaking or anything. Oh crap. I forgot I gotta put a glove on. All right, I do them long ways just because you have more sides to go up along the side of the butt, and you can pour the stuff in and you don't have to worry about it dripping all over the place. I usually do one side up, one end and both sides up. We are going to sprinkle a little bit of pineapple juice. We're going to cut us a couple tablespoons of butter, just like this. Set them on top as such. I don't know about you guys, but is it ever Like, can you never have like enough room to cook on? I mean, it seems like it doesn't matter what house or wherever I cook at, it just seems like there's not enough counter space to do any kind of cooking. And as soon as you think it's bigger or big enough, then once you start cooking a lot of food, then you're like, holy crap, it's just not enough room. So, all right. Pretty much the same size piece of aluminum foil again. And this time, let's stick it this way. And then there you go. She's ready to go back on. Now, from this point on, we're going to cook these until they are 210 degrees. And then they're ready to pull. So we will see you tomorrow morning. Have a good evening.
Look at that tube muscle, son. Oh yeah. Clean bones. That's what you want.
Well, there we go. Another great video to add to the collection for what we have so far. We're getting there slowly but surely, trying to add more shorts, trying to add more longer videos, more recipes to the channel as much as we can. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. And if there's something you would like to see us do, a recipe that you guys like, do not hesitate to put it down in the comments. We'll try anything. I've got a Blackstone too, and a small little Weber, and plus the Masterbuilt 1050. So, but yeah, just let me know in the comments if there's something you would like to see. So, have a great 4th of July. Be safe, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.